Our company's salesman is not only just to sell machines, but to help customers find the most suitable machine, and to assist them in configuring the most suitable production equipment solutions. Therefore, our salesmen are skilled in mechanical industriology, are able to understand well what our customers need and provide the customer with suitable equipment supporting solutions. Before the customer places an order, we will recommend the most suitable products. During the installation and use of the equipment, we will provide timely and effective after-sales service to assist the customer in solving problems in the production process. Today, the General Manager Timson leads the new salesman to go deep into the equipment production workshop, learn the knowledge of machinery and equipment, and make a comprehensive and in-depth understanding of the suppliers. Our company has always insisted on training sales staff and build a high-quality business team with professional knowledge and skills. This is the guarantee for our company to keep expanding business